Hello friends, this is Sai Fanindra from SQL School, assuring you complete practice-oriented lectures right from the beginning, right from the scratch, easy to understand, easy to implement at our real-world job desk. I assure you, highly interactive and useful classes pertaining to database, Microsoft database, and we'll be starting with database, then DBMS, database management system concepts, slowly stepping into SQL Server, one of the preferred database management systems for easy data management and easy data access and secure delivery of data. In our classes, we'll be taking the SQL Server latest versions, the latest releases, with state-of-art online lab work. We'll be understanding the dependencies, like the kind of concepts from SQL Server required for Power BI. You can also optionally or additionally opt for core SQL database development activities. In general, for Power BI or even the MSBI or Azure BI courses, SQL, Transact SQL basics should be fine. If in case you are going for core programming activities, in such a case, yes, we need to have hands-on with development design concepts as well. Just to make sure you are upskilling yourself with Azure cloud environment, we need Microsoft SQL Server mainly to ensure proper streamlined understanding of the technology. In addition to the SQL developer, you may also offer administration courses or Azure data engineering, data analysis with Power BI, or business intelligence, Azure IS, Azure AS, or Azure Cosmos DB, and Azure DevOps. If in case you are planning for certifications, you may opt for exclusive Azure certification programs from us. In addition to these courses exclusively for Microsoft, we have courses like Snowflake, Tableau, and so on. The list of all the courses and their dependencies on the screen. We'll start with SQL Basics Database Fundamentals Box 1, and after Box 1 you can opt for either 2, 3, 4 programming, core development, or if you are looking for reporting activities, we have 5 MSBI, design of additional databases like data warehouse, OLAP, etc., cloud reporting, Power BI, Azure Data Engineer, Big Data Storage and Analytics. Additionally, we have Azure IS, Azure AS, implementation of MSBI, Microsoft Business Intelligence in Azure with Cosmos database. In case you are looking for coding, then you opt for green boxes. More into user interface, big data analytics, reporting, then 5, 6, 7 with 8 and 9 together is equal to 10. So 1, 10. Or in case you are looking for administration management activities, we have 11 on-premise admin or cloud admin number 12. You can opt for any of these courses. You register for one plan, see how it goes, happy, then you continue for the next course. You'll do one by one anyway. Register for one plan, enjoy it, complete the project, and every day we have mock tests throughout the course. Every day we have mock tests, and you will submit them on time to continue for the next entries or next concepts one by one. Okay, we'll start from the scratch, do the things carefully on time to ensure we have complete control, or we means you and me, we need to have complete control on the course, the concepts that we learn. Yes, subject is lengthy but should be useful. With this information, we'll wait for your live demo attendance. Kindly visit our website sqlschool.com and you register for your free demo class from the register page. Just go home and down you have the register now button. You click on register now and you see the course wise schedules. We look forward for your registration for the live online free demo class, and we'll take it from there. Have a nice time. Thank you very much. Thank you once again.